G'day everyone, my name's Robbie and I'm stuffed. Hey Robbie, you've got mail! You better check your mailbox! Okay Robbie, thanks mate. What's the address? Post Office Box 3006, Yarunga LPO, Wangaratta 3677. Righto folks, now if the hair looks a little bit dishevelled or I look a little bit sweaty, that's because I just come off the Warby Ranges. I went for a nice bushwalk. 4.5 kilometres, which isn't huge, with 190 metres elevation gain. So I've climbed up an altitude and down of 190 metres, which to a fit person might not be a lot, but to me it was like climbing Mount Everest. But anyway, I've got some mail. Now, usually when I film a mail time video, I like to wait till I've got 2 or 3 and do them together, because I don't want my video just to be heaps of mail time videos, my channel to be heaps of mail time videos. I like to have as many fishing videos as I can, but I reckon I know what this is and I'm super excited, so this one gets its own video. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is in case I get it wrong, but it does feel a lot like a custom-made knife. Right. Hopefully I don't rip the letter. Alright, I am in. Rightio, here's the letter. Hello Robbie, thank you so much for your support. I started making knives in the beginning of COVID-19. My first knife, made from a file with a bit of red box firewood as a handle, gathered my interest into handmade knife making. Before I knew it, I'm onto my 5th and 6th knives and they are looking better and better every time. I've now invested in a $3,000 belt grinder and many other tools which will make the process 10 times faster and more precise. $3,000 belt grinder, that's a lot of money for a young fella. I made your knife from a blank of 1084, which I grinded, drilled, filed and put in hours and hours of hand sanding before I reached the shape I desired. I hardened the steel and shaped the piece of fiddleback tiger myrtle with copper liners for the handle. For the full build you can check out my YouTube channel, Brown Snake Blades. Check out Brown Snake Blades, where I'll walk you through the entire project. The knife took 25 plus hours of work and will be one of my first 3 knives that I've made completely by hand for sale or giveaway. I now have big plans and ideas for my future knives that will be unique to the knife industry. I have ideas that will make the knife making process faster than it's ever been, and on the back of this I hope one day that your knife will hold a lot of value. Make sure to keep the blade with a light coating of oil so that it doesn't rust, and keep it out of water. P.S. Sorry for the imperfections on one side of the handle. It was a quest to make my knives more robust, but backfired. If anyone is interested in ordering a custom knife that they can design and make their own, please DM my social media and check out my YouTube. I also do knife restorations, knife sharpening and whatever knife related projects you wish. Now Aiden's only a young fella and he's having a real crack, and I think this is fantastic. Check him out on Instagram at Brown Snake Blades. Check him out on Facebook, Brown Snake Blades, and check him out on YouTube, Brown Snake Blades. Brown Snake Blades. Look up Brown Snake Blades on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Now I can't wait any longer. Young Aiden has been telling me for a while he wants to make me a knife, and I've really been looking forward to seeing it, which is why I couldn't leave this on the back seat and wait another few days for another bit of mail to come. So for those of you that send mail and sometimes have to wait a while, that's why. I don't like to open them all up at once. I like to just wait till I've got a couple that I can open together. Wow. Oh, that smells so good. Look at the leather sheath. Oh, wow. Jesus, that's sharp. Have a look at the detail that Aiden's gone to with that. Look, you can see the copper inside the handle there. There's copper. Oh, wow. That is incredible. And I can tell you now, it is razor sharp. I don't know how I'm going to go here, but I'm going to see if I can... what am I doing? See if I can shave. I'm touching the screen instead of... See if I can... Look at that. Look at all that hair that just came off there. Look at the big bald patch. That literally is razor sharp. Wow. That is absolutely awesome, and I am absolutely stoked. And what an amazing sheath. What an amazing young man. Aiden, I'm going to give you another shout out. not only do I appreciate the fantastic quality and the fantastic knife, but the hours you went to make this for me is just incredible. And the thing I like most is I love seeing young people having a go, having a crack. In this day and age, so many people are happy to whinge about not getting their own way and not getting what they want. But every now and again you meet someone that is willing to put in the hard yards and reap the rewards. And mate, I wish you the very, very best. There is a great future for you in knife making. Folks, Brown Snake Blades on Instagram, Brown Snake Blades on Facebook, and Brown Snake Blades on YouTube. I'm going to put links at the end of the video and in the video description below this video so that you can go and check him out and give him some support, because I just think seeing a young bloke do something like that is fantastic. That is just, I could cry. That's just, of all my life I've wanted a homemade knife, a custom made knife. That's something I've always been going through and never done it, and now I've got one, and that is just, I can't wait to show my dad this. My dad's a very keen hunter, and he is going to be blown away when he sees this. Aiden, that is so awesome. Thank you so much. And folks, thank you very much for watching this amazing mail time segment. You're going to see this knife more often because that is just awesome.